What's up, Warhouse Gym fam and the YouTube world? I'm Adam Steele, and I'm back here to present to you my newest creation of the War Machines. So, had a itch, been a little too long since I've built anything, or had time, honestly, to build anything for the Warhouse Gym. And now here in our new home, now that we've capped out and sold out our memberships, it was time to crank down and get busy. And I came up with the first ever, I'd say, higher functioning isolateral hip press or horizontal leg press with the largest platform and foot space as well as angle of any hip press in the market anywhere. And I can prove to you that it's much more functional as far as overall execution and contraction for a ergonomic and physical load as well. So come with me and I will show you how it works. Okay guys, Adam Steele here. Welcome to the Warhouse Gym. I'm going to be taking you through a little bit of a demo of the new Howitzer Battle Press that I made. And with me, Melanie today is going to be helping us walk through this on how to approach, set up, and get yourself into this badass machine. So let me show you exactly how it works. Come check it out. Okay, ready? All right, babe. Okay, Melanie, let's hop in here. So really cool, as you can see, this is a Ford Ranger seat that is also obviously impact rated, so it makes it for a perfect application for a weight-loaded machine. And not to mention it's naturally ergonomic with the original design. So you can see that you can adjust the back as well as slide forward to multi-positions. And so it's very handy here. So Melanie's gonna go ahead and load in. She's gonna go ahead and attack it at the forward first front position. And she's placing her feet. And I want you to pay attention right here that not only is it isolateral and has one of the largest foot placement platforms available in any market here with fitness, being a battle machine a war machine that I created, is that you can naturally already see right here how she sat in the seat and with the angle and then ankle position and foot flex position according to her knee and hip, her starting position. Go ahead and engage with. As you can see right here, extended fully out, she's in a very neutral ankle position. And as she comes down, you can see how as the knee travels up, as well as the angle of the platform, it keeps her ankle in a very foot flex neutral position. Not too far forward, not too far extended back, flexing the foot or forcing it with her toe. So she's able to get almost like a perfect squat stance. So it's very key with the design of how this machine functions that you get a super good, effective target and hit of your total, not only quad focus, but your total leg in general. Very compound movement. So super rad. So with that being said, it definitely feels good. How was that? Yeah. Regular stance, super good. Nice. And what we're gonna do here, Melanie's gonna move her feet a little higher on the platform, as you can see, into a more forward angle, allowing her to create an obtuse angle here, getting her more stretch in the tie-in and hamstring and glute, as she can push forward and drive through the heels. There you go. With being able to unlock each stainless side, she's able to take the weight and drive it with her heels. Nice. How's the seat feel? Nice. Awesome. Super good. And as you can see, easy to rack and unload. And then you can slide in and out of the seat, very simple. Yep. Boom. Perfect for gripping and loading. Good job. Nice. Awesome. That was great. Yeah. So this is essentially, the new Howitzer Battle Press. War machine created right here. I recommend you guys come and check it out. it's probably gonna be one of the better feelings, unlike some of the, like the Rogers Strength or some of the other machines on the market that are out there in some of the gyms that you might find locally or whatever destination you're in. The platform being is long and essentially tall with the height, as well as placement to the pendulum lever versus setback like you see. A good example, TG Chula and the TG San Diego in PB have one. The Rogers is a great original model, but you get a lot more of a steep, shorter platform because it's set further back. And so if you're a little shorter, you're coming in forward and you're still fully extended. And one thing I've noticed and a lot of people have complained about that brought me to want to create one of these, not only is it isolateral, but also too with the platform being so small and at such a steep angle, the seat has you pitched forward, which is very uncomfortable. And anyone that you've ever tried it, you know, when you overload the machine or you try to go heavier, it wants to scoop you right up out of the seat and you have to hold yourself down. With the ergonomics of this one, not only do you get like a perfect squat stance for actually activating your total leg, like quads, tie-ins, hamstrings, glutes, maximus, minimus, everything, lateralis, all of it is, it's not pushing you out of the seat, it's not hard on your back, and so you get much better target, you get much better activation and contraction, and you can load it. And with such a smooth, essentially over-engineered hardware that I created on this, you can really get that smooth isolateral swing and press to your leg. So definitely worth a try. This thing's a gnarly monster, and it's as bad as a howitzer missile, so come check it out. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. I'll see you here at the warehouse.